I don't think it's that surprising that Conor McGregor and Donald Trump sort of see eye to eye. But I think Ireland in general looked at that and thought, dear God,
I mean, look, I think it says everything about the White House at the
yeah.
moment that Conor McGregor was invited there despite what happened in November, despite the finding of that civil trial. Mixed martial arts fighter Conor McGregor met the president. Footage emerging of McGregor meeting Trump in the Oval Office. And particularly, I suppose, was McGregor's comments about immigration, saying Ireland is on the cusp of potentially losing its Irishness. Both the Taoiseach and the Taoiseach rejecting those comments and basically saying he doesn't speak for Ireland. He has no mandate. What did you make of it, Ciara?
I thought it was very interesting. First of all, I think it is very clear Conor McGregor doesn't speak for Ireland and has no mandate, and I wouldn't over stress about him purporting to speak for Ireland, because certainly nobody in Ireland, maybe a small cohort of people, but I think most people in Ireland don't think he does speak for Ireland. Doesn't represent us. He's not elected. He is none of those things. I think it was an interesting choice by Trump, perhaps not an unexpected choice by Trump, to have Conor McGregor in the White House on St. Patrick's Day. And I did think it was interesting that Micheál Martin was sort of seen on the 12th of March, but Conor McGregor was front and centre on Patrick's Day itself. And I thought that reflected badly, actually. I thought that was the wrong way round myself.